The initial proposal by our presidency was to say a clear yes to both North Macedonia and Albania. That has been our firm position for a long time being, and we did our very best to facilitate the discussion today to a successful end. But unfortunately, there were a few member states hesitant and one member state particularly against, so we were not able to reach the required unanimity in order to make the decision. So we did explore all the possibilities in order to send at least some signals to Western Balkans, including the possible idea of decoupling the countries, because many of the member states referred to the principle of giving the countries recognition according to their own merits. But that wasn't successful either. So the only thing that we could conclude is that the European Council will then come back to the issue.